basil from my Aero Garden. I'm gonna show you how to make fresh pesto. Get your D.a.T sauce, and we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons into our container. Then we're gonna add our Brala's Best garlic whip. I'm gonna go about 2 tablespoons as well, and we're gonna go about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and emulsify that first before we add our basil. Next, we're gonna add our curly basil and our Thai basil and blend it up, and it is scintillation. Look at that. So simple, so delicious. Who doesn't love some nice pesto for your food? The Aero Garden grows your herbs. I've got my basil, Thai basil, curly basil, harvested some this morning, as you saw here earlier in the video. Now it's time for test. Oh, that D.a.T sauce, the garlic from the Brala's garlic whip, and that fresh basil, absolutely scintillating. Hope you enjoyed, and watch for more videos coming up. Smoke on, baby!